Hey everyone, oh man, it is Saturday, almost afternoon. It's almost 12 o'clock, but we are heading out to, I got a little man back there with me. We are going to go head out to the garage. I'm going to do some cleaning, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to run your, I got to make new training lines to the cooler and all that stuff. So I got some braided line. I got AN fittings -6. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. The fittings that you need for the transmission, and all that. Got another thing going on today. It'll be this afternoon. You guys will get to just see it here in a little bit. But we got a lot of snow. Well, I can't say a lot, but we got hit with some snow. And then just tighten it. Alrighty, we are back out here. Let me turn the radio down so I don't get hit with copyright stuff. We got me and my boy, we got the trans cooler lines all done. It had some old aluminum ones, and then went down to the transmission and to about that long of another aluminum line, and then to a rubber hose. So I always had a problem leaking at the rubber hose and all that stuff, even after doing a flare at the end on each side, and it still leaked. Even hell, I had 2 clamps on each side, so I had 4 clamps on each line, and it still leaked. So hopefully, the new setup here, I'll show you here in a second. Hopefully the new setup, everything else will go good, and so now I'll just show it to you. Is it good?
Yep.
Okay. And then spin it. where it goes down like that. And then there you go. Teach them young. Hey everyone, good morning. Oh man, it is Saturday. Getting ready to leave the house. I got little man back here with me. We're gonna go do some stuff today. I got a package in the beginning of the week, and got a package in the beginning of the week. A exhaust pipe kit, all 3-inch, manual bent. I'll leave the part number in the description. I ordered it off of eBay. It was like $89, so it wasn't too bad. But then I got some 3-inch V-band clamps, and that's what I'm going to end up putting everything together, weld it and all that. But I gotta get some fuel, some diesel fuel for this, and then possibility I gotta come back into town, so I gotta get spark plugs and all that stuff. And but it's a long morning and it's early already. But anyways, I got a kink in my neck. Just happened. It sucks getting old. Man. Yeah, it sucks getting old. All this gray hair. But anyways. Oh, see, I'm sitting here talking and forgot. And I just said it. I gotta get fuel. But anyway, I'm gonna get some fuel here and then off to the garage. Good morning, everyone. Oh man, it is Sunday morning. It is. I got my light on. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning, and put my camera. Okay, but we're gonna. Me and little man are gonna go get something to eat real quick, and I can't see. All right, but. So, had something happen to me yesterday, and like I said before, I didn't have my parts from AutoZone. Okay? Well, I get a message from a friend that works there. Guess my parts were there. Somebody overlooked them, which I don't know how or why or whatever, but so the plans that we had and all that was canceled just because of not having some stuff in. But anyways, we'll just have to do that on another time. But we're getting ready to head back out to the garage, all that. The Slow 10's actually in the new garage, because that one's wired up better. And for welding and all that. So we got the big welder going, but I got just an old MIG and it didn't do it, so had to break out the stick welder. Had to start laying some beads down, so oh man. But anyways, we're getting some breakfast at Burger King and then head back out to the garage. Alright, so change of plans. He wanted McDonald's, so he wanted some sausage, egg and cheese burritos. So I got the sausage, egg and cheese McGriddle, got the hash brown, and got a large sweet tea. So now we should be good until, I don't know, probably lunchtime. But it's been a while. Oh, up this early just to go to work on the truck. But but we're back at heading out to the shop. Alrighty, so let me pick that up. We just got done doing the spark plug wires, spark plugs. Got the rest of the exhaust done on this, but I can't say full exhaust, but right there comes out there. This one right there. But yeah, so got everything done. We're getting ready. I gotta bolt this back up, the master cylinder, get all that done. But yeah, here in about 10 minutes, hopefully, she'll be fired up. Am I in the picture?
Yes.
I am?
Yes.
All right. Well, the master cylinder, get this all back together. 2 15mm bolts. I believe my dad just walked in. But get that all done and get it together and then tighten it up. Alrighty, well, trying to get some better light in here. Alright, so we're done getting ready to leave my parents' place. So you gotta move forward, bub. Alright, so what did we get accomplished today?
We got the truck to run. We got it washed. I caught like 8 to 10 tadpoles. We got the mowers to run. We got the teal car to work.
The Ford Galaxy,
Yeah.
1969.
And
What did you just help me do? You helped me adjust valves.
yeah.
So, anyway, that's what we got accomplished today. And, well, got the
Stuff loaded.
exhaust done on the truck. Well, the open header part. Wait one. Oh, I forgot my chop saw and stuff. Made for cutting angles and all that stuff on the for the exhaust pipe. Made it a lot easier to get everything all done, but I'm kind of, I don't know, I've been up since like 6 o'clock this morning. We've been out here just a little bit after 7, so we are wrapping things up. It is 7 o'clock in the evening now. Kids got school in the morning. I get to go to work. So, anyway, I really do appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, all that. I really do appreciate it. Means the world to us and all that. Small YouTube channel, just trying to get it out there. But I really do appreciate it. You guys have a great night and rest of the week and all that. And I will see you this coming weekend.